Hey, Selma, how are you, hon?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing really well. Anything specific you want to work on? Hon?
Yes, I feel like I really need help with coming back into life. I've been stuck and looping at a really bad place with
Yeah.
everything, with every aspect of my life for a long time. So I really need
Um,
a push.
yep. Breathe in, sorry. And again, this is, all these patterns that I'm talking about, much, much more. Guys, breathe in and just notice your lower ribs and then your hips, by the way. You're very beautiful, sweetie, but you just seem like you have a masculine pattern still stuck around you.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, which is the problem? All right. And again, all these patterns that we're talking about, much more. We've got the XI Code to Love coming up. Actually, it starts on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. So you can connect with that. Maybe the team can put a link on that for you. But in your case, what you do is like you're always fighting to be Selma. You're always adventurous. You're always out there to be there. But then when you feel really, really free, you feel like you're alone. So, and then when you're alone, you'll go back to um, getting into situations that you have to fight for who Selma is again. So this is that looping pattern. It's like you get to the point, it's like, whoa, feels really good, but then I'm all alone. I feel all alone. And then it's like, geez, I gotta go and like get sucked into situations that cause me problems so I can render who I am again. And again, it's get this vicious circle going, and that's what you're feeling. So breathe in. So in this case, can we just help you go, gosh, I know who I am without having to say protect myself? And that's why you have a masculine frequency around you. Again, there's different ways of women protecting themselves. Women just carry on this dominant frequency and they start looking masculine. What you do is like you have a masculine frequency around you, and then the feminine version inside you. So in intimate relationships, as you get closer, you go, gosh, I feel more like a man than a guy that I'm dating.
Mm.
Get it? Uh, and and then you attract men that are like that. And then in a relationship, basically you have to become the man in the relationship, and you want to feel like a woman in the relationship.
I definitely feel like that's been the pattern, and I thought that was connected with not with my father being absent or him dying when I was 12. So I kind of took over a lot of masculine roles, even in the house and stuff. So
You're strong enough. You don't need, say, a father figure. So when you don't need a father figure, say, to protect you anymore. Sometimes when kids again lose their parents, in this case, your father, you basically wrap a masculine frequency around you to say recreate a father frequency that should be there. Does that make sense to you? So that father frequency just became part of you. So in this case, again, that protective space is always around you from, say, a father frequency. So in this case, you're a woman now. Your father could still be there, but not wrapped around you, so to speak. Breathe in again. Also, in intimacy, it almost seems like you pick people that feel like a brother to you, as well. So
mm,
intimacy just kind of starts going downwards. Does that make sense for you?
right now, I kind of can't quite see that, but I guess it will make sense.
Well, think of it this way: over a short period of time, the wow factor, the intimacy, all that kind of fades away.
Mm.
Um, so that's because again, um, uh, in if your relationship was long enough, you would feel like a brother sister type feel, and
Yeah.
that's not romantic. So just releasing all that, so the true women value can come out. As a note, be mindful because other women have helped this. You'll get so many people get attracted to you. Even like women will get attracted to you because that filter is removed. So you're strong enough. You might feel insecure. Again, that security filter has been removed. You're strong enough. You'll feel fine. Just don't do something mentally stupid. Okay. So you have to recreate the filter in a different way.
Thank you. I just want to quickly ask, is this gonna ripple to other areas of my life? Because like right now, like my job and finances are like really bad.
Yeah. I mean, you're running a masculine pattern. So in your case, why would you, if you become really successful in your pattern, you'll be more masculine than feminine. Your main objective is to be a strong female in this reality. So it pushes against your systems or the logic. So
Okay.
okay. So as you become a real woman, then finances and everything like that will say correlate. So the stronger you get, the more successful you get, the more feminine you get. Right? We teach this in Command Grow Rich. Okay.
Thank
Um,
you.